Mornings can often feel rushed, making it essential to have breakfast options that are both simple and satisfying. Start your day right with quick recipes that don't compromise on flavor or nutrition. One fantastic option is a classic oatmeal bowl. Cook instant oats according to package instructions and top with fresh fruits like bananas or berries. A sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey can transform this healthy base into a delightful morning treat. Another delectable breakfast choice is a smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with yogurt or almond milk until silky smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and embellish it with your choice of toppings, such as granola, nuts, or seeds. The vibrant colors of the blended fruits combined with an array of crunchy toppings create a visual feast, making breakfast not just nourishing, but also a joy to look at. For those who crave something savory, consider avocado toast. Simply mash ripe avocados and spread them generously on whole grain toast. To elevate the flavor, add sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. For added protein, top with a poached egg or a sprinkle of feta cheese. This meal is filling and provides healthy fats to keep you energized throughout the day. A breakfast burrito is another quick yet fulfilling option. Scramble some eggs in a skillet and mix in your favorite ingredients like cheese, bell peppers, or spinach. Scoop the mixture onto a tortilla, roll it up, and you have a portable breakfast that is both hearty and delicious. Add salsa or hot sauce for a kick. Lastly, overnight chia pudding offers a no-fuss breakfast that can be prepared the night before. Mix chia seeds with milk or a non-dairy alternative and sweeten with honey or maple syrup. Let it sit overnight to thicken. In the morning, stir it well and top with fruits or nuts for a delightful crunch. With these simple recipes, oatmeal, smoothie bowls, avocado toast, breakfast burritos, and chia pudding, you can enjoy nutritious and tasty breakfasts that fit seamlessly into your busy morning routine. Each of these recipes is designed to be versatile, allowing you to personalize them with your favorite ingredients, ensuring that every morning is a delicious adventure. Jumpstart your day with these easy, delightful meals.